All right, what's up, guys? Anthony here, Special Analysis. Welcome to the video. We are taking a look at the USO. This is the ETF ticker for WTI, light sweet crude oil, right? That's our benchmark here, American standard when it comes to oil. So what you're seeing is a daily chart, excuse me, of the USO. I also host a service called Big Energy Profits, where I focus very specifically on this niche market. So the energy sector is what really drew me into trading. I was in the retail gasoline business, automotive business my entire life, still am. But what drew me in was understanding that the commodity that we sold on the street to try to make pennies could be traded publicly, right? And I've taken my biggest trades and had my biggest years trading oil, believe it or not. So I am very focused in on oil. I've taken my biggest trades using a program called HAWKEYE, right? So HAWKEYE is a volume-based indicator program. We focus really specifically on volume, and that's what drives all of the indicators that populate from HAWKEYE. HAWKEYE's been a wonderful company. Just an FYI, I am a paying customer, right? I do work for HAWKEYE or work with HAWKEYE, but I wasn't hired by HAWKEYE to sell the product or service. I approached them after experiencing so much success with it and said, hey, listen, if there's any room on your team for me, like, I would be interested. And they were nice enough to say, heck yeah, come on board. So I've been working with them now for several years. I've had a phenomenal experience helping many traders. The reason I love HAWKEYE so much is we focus on the foundational stuff, volume and price action. If you don't understand those two components, how they work so intricately with each other, you're missing the bigger picture, right? So not only do we supply these incredible volume-driven indicators, we also supply thousands of hours of training, guys, from myself, from Randy Lindsay, who's a rocket scientist, and from Nigel Hawkins, who is the founder of HAWKEYE, right? So between the three of us, we've cultivated thousands of hours with this product, selling it, teaching it, coaching people, even developing Big Energy Profits around the use of HAWKEYE uniquely in the energy sector. Guys, this is a market that I've literally taken six-figure single trades with using this exact software. So my Big Energy Profit clients are already in crude oil. They're already long, and they've already had the opportunity to take profit twice, with the anticipation and expectations of what's on the horizon, both near term and a little longer term. So we've done this very carefully. I take many angles into consideration when it's time to tell my clients, hey, listen, our expectations are X, Y, and Z. This is the risk associated with it. This is the potential reward associated with it. We're going to pay and protect ourselves along the way, and that's basically what we're doing. But I want to show you just how easy it is to use HAWKEYE, right? So because everything is volume driven, nothing here is populated from any other source of data other than volume, right? So volume is stepping in on the USO. You can see we are pushing higher. We have the trend dot that went from white to green. We have supporting volume, supporting heat map. All that fun stuff is transpiring, right? This is a heat map. It measures trend speed on a handful of different metrics. Of course, volume driven. I'll show you what the volume itself looks like. So here's the HAWKEYE volume. I just apply it to my chart like so, and there it populates, right? Push it up there. You can see, we've moved or transitioned from selling volume to buying volume, and that buying volume is increasing, right? We want to see an increase in the presence of the party that we want to trade alongside. I'll even make this a little easier for you guys to see because it is against a black backdrop. Leave this as white, right? So what does HAWKEYE tell us, right? Let me explain to you how this volume indicator works. So within any given period of time, it doesn't matter if you're trading a 3-minute candle day trading, or you're looking at a daily or a weekly or even a monthly chart, right? The versatility of Hawkeye is broad stroke. You can use it for scalping, day trading, swing trading, position trading. Right? We have hedge fund managers that use this very specific software with hundreds of millions of dollars under management, because that he recognizes that the volume and price action aspect put together supersedes any other approach to the market. Right? We teach you the intricacies of interpreting volume paired with price action. So you can see we have some increasing volume. Our heat map, which measures multiple trend speeds, has clicked in. Our trend dots turned over, and we're off to the races, guys. Now, we're going to encounter some near-term resistance along the way. My clients are very aware of that. They'll have the opportunity to take profits. When I present these opportunities, we look at them in the futures market. We look at them in the ETF market, and then we take both of those to the options market. We also look at leveraged ETFs. So anytime that I put on a position, I'm looking at it from multiple angles, making sure that everything's aligning. And guys, everything right here is absolutely aligning wonderfully. So I want to take a minute, just share with you the ease of use that comes with the Hawkeye software. You can use it on TradingView. You can use it on TradeStation. You can use it on NinjaTrader. You can even use it on MetaTrader for you Forex traders, right? You could trade stocks, futures, Forex, cryptocurrencies. You can use this for trading your options if you're an options trader. Really, the flexibility that comes with it is unlike almost anything else out there, right? A lot of stuff is narrowed to either a specific platform or specific type of trading or so on and so forth. This totally universal and can be applied to any aspect of trading. And the beauty is the thousands of hours of education that come with the software. Because guys, this is just chipping the iceberg of what you get. You can look right here. We have the Fat Boy, the Fat Man, the Grabba, the Auto, the Long, the Short, the Heat Map, the KISS, the ATR levels, up and down, pivots, roadkill, trends and stops, Hawkeye volume, which I just showed you, the volume pack 1 and 2, the volume radar, the volume paint bar, and even the wide bar. So every one of these has hundreds of hours of information on how they're designed to be used to the trader's benefit. So I want to take an opportunity, share with you the simplicity of having volume print right on your screen, right? My candles are actually printing correlating volume. Now, volume is measured by a percentage basis. Within a given period of time, it doesn't matter if it's a few minutes or a week, there is going to be either a balance of buyers and sellers or an imbalance. And what Hawkeye uniquely is going to offer you is showing you that imbalance so that you know who is in control. Because guys, at the end of the day, the only leading indicator in the market is volume. If you know how to interpret price action and you understand how volume plays a vital role in what is going to happen next, then you have a full understanding that you can build a successful, consistent, replicable trade plan. And that's what it comes down to. So if you want to learn more, there's some links underneath this video. I encourage you to click them. Send me an email with any questions. I'd be happy to answer them. God bless, guys. I appreciate it. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video.